But they're so cute though. Now you walk around with a little vibrator. Come on, sit them must not pull it up. See them at boom boom. She really are going with themselves, and this is the top. For the man them, she got you guys too, okay? Pretty decent quality. How many the money I'm going there and still find things?
Come out take care and stop that.
I don't know. We're gonna see how high the drone can go today. Happy Veterans Day, my people. Anyway, welcome back. Hey.
Hey. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
Hi, how are you?
Hi.
How are you, Mama?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. You always look so cute.
Ah, thank you.
We're gonna call you in a minute, okay?
All right.
That's a thing for the phone.
That's a camera.
Yeah.
So she thinks it's an umbrella.
With the microphone and everything, right?
Mm-hmm.
Does that one detach? The microphone?
Yeah, it's right here.
I need one of those. I love that. That tells me that you're a creator.
I am. YouTube, TikTok.
YouTube?
YouTube, TikTok. You guys should subscribe.
I have a YouTube page.
And you don't use
have
it.
things like that.
Listen,
I don't do anything with
Because
it.
you don't do anything with it. That's why.
At the beginning, I
It's
would take her in the
K-A.
room. Go ahead.
K-A-Y-A-N-N.
K-A-Y.
A-N-N.
Too cute. It says Keon. There's a lot.
K and too cute.
Keon too cute.
Yeah, you see it? Let me find it for you.
This one.
Yes, that's me right there.
I'm gonna have to follow her too.
Okay.
And it's the same thing on YouTube, Instagram, everywhere.
Gotcha.
Listen, at the beginning, she would come in and she would put the camera
Yeah.
while I was setting her up, and then for a minute, I'm like,
What's-
she videotaping?
You gotta keep recording, right? Yes. You guys are on YouTube a lot.
Oh God!
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Don't worry, y'all look pretty up there.
Come, I'm gonna be cute.
You always look cute. What you talking about, girl?
And I'm looking. I'm gonna look through your whole page.
Mm-mm.
You're live now?
No, I'm not. I'm just recording.
Cute next
Just
time.
like imagine she came videotaping. There's the cleaning lady.
Oh no! No.
There's the cleaning lady for Connecticut Rehab.
Next time I'm gonna be
No.
extra cute.
With your bubbles. All right, I'll
Oh
be
my
with you in a
god.
minute.
All
Okay?
right.
Oh, I think I got bubbles in my water.
So if you're doing TikTok shop, why isn't the orange card here?
I think I got a bubble.
No, that's not the shop. That's like newbies, cuties. Welcome back to the vlog. We're exercising. It's Monday. It's Tuesday, and I just came from the what do they call it? The physical therapy, and we're getting a little work in. So this is the greatest part about having the home gym, you know. We can just work out in anything or in any little time of the day we're fine with us or wow, work out our body. One of my cuties said to just walk 45 minutes a day. It's cool. I mean I'll get for God say I go walk 45 minutes a day, but I'm gonna ride for 45 minutes or walk on my treadmill for 45 minutes.
Kadisha, your man say hydration is the key.
I told you all
I mean, I
that.
have no water and you see them over there, so.
So
Bring me some water.
me
Please.
bring you some water.
Thank you.
Okay.
Love you.
Love you too. Anytime you wanna yeah, here I love you. But yeah. But yeah, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna walk or ride for 45 minutes every single day. No excuse. No excuse. 5 3 o'clock in the morning when we wake up. You know we should have carried them over your yard. Because I have the treadmill over here, but I carry that up here 11 to 70 step. Kemar live on the 3rd floor now. Not me, my love. Not work. Guys, you guys are not watching the ads. Well, you can't watch look at ads for me. So me make some money. Watch 2 ads. And then you can skip the rest. Watch something. You guys have me begging. Watch look at ads. We're asking our stretch. Alright, my turn. My turn. Alright, cuties, I'm gonna do my 45 minutes. I'll be back. No, sir. We need the slippers. But look, I'm going like you want to tighten it up. I just need the slippers for children. Hot.
Now put in the real work.
I am. You don't see?
So that free.
No, it's not.
Eh?
It's not.
Put some pressure in it.
It is. It have pressure. We can't breathe. No, sir. Me done. 3 hours.
3 minutes.
No, sir. It's a rest. It's a rest.
Choose back here now. 4 seconds. 3 seconds. 2 seconds. And go.
And go. Go.
Come on, dig it. Come on. Only 30 seconds. Give it everything.
30 seconds. 30 seconds. 90. 80. 70.
Mm-hmm.
60. 50. 40. 13. 12. 7. 10.
11. All right, I hear you.
7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Woo! 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 Me think me done. Me think me done, Tara. Nothing.
Mm-hmm.
You know, so I can't ride bicycle. In a real life.
1 more minute. 1 more minute. Let's give it 5 minutes and done.
There you go.
Bingo. 5 minutes. Goal for
That's
today.
5 minutes.
Yes.
No, so bingo 45.
We're not telling a lie. 5 minutes. See, this is not a liar channel. See, 5 minutes you do. Be proud. Be proud of yourself. 45 minutes of the goal. In, we are beginner. In,
Put it out with me, Eddie.
well, me I go put it in a comment. In, yes.
Give me my camera.
You did great. Good job. See, your boss are sweat. Look there.
My boss sweat. I'll let me know. My boss sweat. I'll let
Be
me know
proud of
that thing.
yourself.
Okay.
Yeah, boy. When the dog got pressure, you know. They say, leg them done?
Leg done. Tomorrow, go again, did me again.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah, tomorrow go on and let me go again. And they will keep that up until we're done. But yeah, anyway, water. No, sir. Anyway, tomorrow I'm done the unboxing. I'm doing 45 minutes. Yeah, because when you're watching something, like, I don't want to watch that nigga do that.
Yeah,
because that pressure my body.
I push it too much.
I push too hard. So, we'll watch like a half an hour vlog or an hour vlog. Or a movie. And I'm good. In no time, I'm done. You ready?
Let's go. Yeah.
Alright, cuties, we're gonna grab something to eat. We're gonna get some salad from Wendy's.
That's all.
You sure it open, babes?
Big and bright.
Whatever. Whatever, ever. Ooh, hi.
Sorry.
Oh, no, that's fine. I'm sorry. Oh, God. Guys, we're in the naughty store. I'm not even sure we can show this on YouTube, but Kemar want to come at the naughty store for some
don't tell a
for
lie for
some
me.
reason. Kemar want to come
Don't
at the
tell
naughty
no lie
store.
for me.
So we're in here, look.
Always want to show me how that
No,
see?
Kemar want to come to the naughty store, so we're here.
When me
Okay.
get time, I drive down me out, you know. Then I should jump up. You want to go to the sex shop?
I did not say that.
One day round here, no. You know what I'm saying?
We're gonna block him.
And she make me turn round
Oh wow.
and come back round here.
All the
Look at-
lies.
Look at the boobies.
All the lies. I don't know if you can show this thing on YouTube, you know. Hey, Kemar, we are putting on one of these.
Yeah, idiot.
I love America that much.
Yeah, idiot.
Alright, look at what we're putting in. This one.
You see what I'm saying now, yeah. Poof, you want to get poof.
Let's go where the excitement is, shall we?
You know, one of them Wonder Woman there.
You know what?
One of them Wonder Woman there.
Cuties saving cream. What's this? What is this though?
Purple one in charge.
Oh, wait, no.
No idea.
So you don't have to pierce your nipple, you can buy nipple piercing and put on it. How about this, babes? This can open? Or just some plating that also?
Like an earphone case.
Yeah, it look like the tie for in there, see tie, yeah?
And the charger
Oh, so the people them supposed to walk around with it.
Yeah. Bossy, so.
Take it out, messy now. Now you walk around with a little vibrator. Everything in there dead. They need to charge these things. And they just zzzz. Oh no, you can't just put it have battery. It have, what
it
you
have the
call it?
remote.
And it have something else too.
Bossy, so.
It have battery. And it have this. I don't know what it is. This look like a one where you put in here and use the battery.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, we got an egg.
Looks dangerous.
And there's something like this. Oh no, don't know this, guys. Look at me again, everything for pull. It can pull?
I don't think so.
You must know this. What kind of vibration this? No man, sit must know this. Pull it up. See them at boom boom. This a go with itself in a camera. This a happen. This a happen. I look at egg here go with itself.
Egg bossy.
Egg bossy. I like the egg.
60 for the egg.
60 for the egg and something else.
Not at all.
Guys, a lingerie. We come in here final and look on we. I look on all different type of things we're not concerned with. Walk around the whole store. So we're getting the rope on this. We're going to tie up each other.
Each other. You
A joke.
I'm not trying to tie up things. Nobody now tie me up. I'm saying like here, oh, more make it exciting for you. Nobody now tie me up.
We got it, sir. We got it the first time. But it not tie up.
See it here.
Right.
You start run.
How
and
does
you not
so
touch
heavy? This look like it hot in a base. Look at this. That look hot.
Slap you up, turn around.
Come, let me buy put this on you. You have to slap me up.
Look up on who?
This.
What? Yeah, idiot. Isabella.
How much for this? $29. Who trouble uno? For a piece of string. Crazy. Anyway, babe, we ready. Let's get back out of here.
Alright, so Isabella.
Isabella and the way you call it, the cuff, the handcuff. Isabella and the handcuff. A poor movie them. I think poor. I want to say poor movie still live on DVD. I think that done a long time. They say have old schools, chicks with dick.
Wipe on that.
I like that. That's something to say. Anyway, cuties, let's get out of here. Hi. Hey, cutie, welcome back to another vlog. Or just welcome back to the vlog. I don't know if it's a new vlog or it's the old vlog. But anyway, welcome back. And we have a little unboxing segment right here. Now, I don't know if you guys remember the last time I did this. I had to turn it in a hole all by itself because it was just too much. I don't know if this is going to be the same thing. If not, then this is a part of a vlog. Anyway, whatever. So, we have this bag. This is from Shein. Remember me that telling you to say, we'll find some man stuff from Shein, right? I'm showing you the slippers. The slippers are really good quality. So, we're going to see if the clothes them is good quality too. Yeah, this is from Shein. And this is from somewhere. We're going to say no address. I don't know where yet. Enough yapping. Just as I thought. Man clothes. This is a shirt. Ooh. Mama no. Oh no, this is not man clothes. Because I'm like, what kind of material this is, man? This is this cute little top. It got this cute little design. I love this pocket detail that it got right here. That's why I got it, because the pocket is actually longer than the shirt. It's a cute little crop top, you know? Cute or whatever. Nice. This look like my niece, my little niece. Yeah, this is definitely my little niece stuff. Cute little two-piece. They look at sure they want cut off, man. No, they just want pick off. This is cute. Yeah. Okay, hold the hell up. Why is one of the... This is so crazy. Look at this. This sleeve right here cut off, yes, sir. That sleeve you long. That sleeve you long like this. That sleeve you short like this. What is happening? Or maybe it's a style. Oh, it is. I'm going to look for the... Yeah, I'm an idiot, you know. I'm going to look for the picture and put it up here. I think it's the style. This is supposed to be like down on your shoulder here. And this one is supposed to be up here. It's the style. It's cute. It's cute. Never mind. Never mind. So it's a two-piece. Skirt and top. I'm trying not to mix up the stuff them. Because I'm just not in the mood for search back when I time for pack. I think this is from my big niece. Yeah, this is definitely hers. It's this like sweatsuit type thing. And it came with this. What size is this? 15. Yeah, this is from my niece. I never buy kids' clothes from Shein yet. So, this is my first time and I'm going to have to give them a 10 out of 10 so far. The kids' clothes are really, really nice. Oh, I know what this is. I bought this off Instagram. It's a sweatsuit. It's an oversized sweatsuit. Oh, I'm so happy it come to see me. I am really happy that this come the same way it look on the picture because I don't know nothing about these people. But when I look on the jumper, it looks so cute. And then the next two outfits I buy for airport outfit, them feel me, them look like I want them to look. So I'm like, this would be so nice. It got all the little details right here. Then it have the whole heap of chop chop, and the material thick, okay, very thick. I like this. It's just a pink sweatsuit. Like it, love it. Love, love, love. Love this. Jamaica, Jamaica. And it come with this oversized crop sweat shirt. Cute. It got the same little design on the sleeve. Also got it on the bottom. It got the Rockstar original logo right here, or name brand or whatever. It's actually cute, guys. I'm so relieved this came so nice. They had this big sale. I bought this in an extra large, and the comment them, they said them fit big, so they really do fit big. Jamaica, Jamaica. Guys, my birthday is coming up. Oh, this is nice. This is medium, so I don't think I would ever buy anything medium for myself. But at this point, oh, a man clothes. Oh, a man clothes. Because I'm like, but they're so cute, dog. So this is the shorts. Real nice. I got 2 string in the front. If you know we a snagger. If you know we is. Oh my God. And then this is the top. It's cute. The outfit is real nice. Real nice. We have another one. Ooh. So what size? This don't even have a tag. This is a large. It's like an army green. Then have the sleeveless shirt. Hope you can see. Real nice, guys. The material them. Oh, I'm sorry. For the man them, she got you guys too, okay? She ain't having a back. These are nice. Clock that tea. Oh, by the way, I want to show you the earring here. As I see the earring, remember, I literally put this earring in just so I can show you, but me I go. Just so I can show you it. Can y'all see that? I bought this earring about, I don't know, maybe 2 years now. No, 1 year, because when I just start YouTube, I did a Shein jewelry haul with this earring. Never wear it before. And let me just see it a while ago, I pack me, I take out stuff I want to carry. And I'm like, should I give this away or should I keep it? Because very mixed feeling about this earring for some reason. It's giving gothic, you know? It's giving gothic, girl. Anyway, I'll show you all the jewelries later. Oh, this is one of them turban thing that I see the man them wear. And this is another phone case for my niece. It's pink with some pretty butterfly stuff on it. Cute. Yeah, I thought she would love this. So I get her one OtterBox and one cute phone case. This is another man short set. Man them, that segment here for uno. Just know, so this is a medium. This look more like a medium. Right, guys? Got this cute teddy on the front. Love it. Oh. Pants. I mean shorts. Look at the design. Up close. Nice. This, I have no stretch. So yeah. Short set. Over Monday. Another short set. This a large. Nice. And then it got a be a short set Jamaica hat. Jamaica hat. Oh. The material is really thick, guys. This is like the material I like cotton, but not cotton. Yeah. That's what it's giving. Cute. This was my favorite color. This one is my favorite one. It's giving like it's expensive. Check it out. And the material is so thick. Oh my god, I was right. Oh, this is a large. Check out the material, guys. Can y'all see that? It's really, really nice. Boy, she not going with themselves, man. She really are going with themselves. And this is the top. So me I'm telling you, oh, it's so much different from the rest, and it was a little bit more expensive too. But it's giving quality. Okay? Love the neck area. Love this cute little, see? Rich people clothes not have much on it, you see that? Just a little, some button down. Yes, nice. This is definitely, I knew it was going to be my favorite one. Man, them who like short set, get this one. You can get any one, but this is giving money. It's giving like you paid a good coin for it. There's nothing on that short set that says Sheen. Nada. Some more socks. Because why not? Ooh, this is a little baseball top. I have this little idea in my head to wear this little baseball top. That's what you see. The pink shades, I don't know if y'all saw the pink shades in the last. So it's gonna be a whole pink fest. It's cute. Real cute. It's another boy shorts. These are small, I guess. But the small them is looking too small, my love. Hey! How my God, so? Jaruki, you told me small. This cannot fit you, but my sorry feel. Look at this. This look like one little boy pitney. This is giving a little boy. The top can fit. Unless you want them boy who are, you know the boys in Jamaica now wear them shorts. Look cutesy shorts them way over them knee. Unless you want to do that. Like White Perry. You saw White Perry just with them little cute shorts them. Unless you want to do that, my love. And then we got the top. Real cute, real simple. It's just giving a little vacation vibes, you know? That's all I'm saying. So here we have the shorts and the top. These are nice. No, my love. One more slipper. I feel so good about the man slippers them. I feel so good about them. The facts of them come so nice. Cuties, check this out. And tell me if this is giving sheen quality, huh? It is thick. It's so thick. The bottom and then this area. Cuties, I promise you. Man them. Woman them. Get them a phone man. If no man and no man with Afina brand, no? Yeah. My man not Afina brand. He will wear them if I buy them here. Because I know name brand talk are clean. You have to clean. That is the important part of it. Okay? Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Look at the cuties. See the white now will give me a problem. If you want to see. I hope y'all can see this. The back. Same thick leatherish type thing. The side. When I really open, you can see it because I see through the white. Y'all see it got this design here. Oh, come on. I don't know if y'all could see the design. But it has this old design on the side right here, so I'm open to see it. Real cute. This is another one of my fave. It got like, what they call the words that project? 4D, 4G? I don't remember. Oh my God, the word is in my head, but it's not coming out. It's, you know, when the word project, it, I think it's 4D or 4G, some shit like that. Anyway, see the words are like lifting off the material. I don't remember what's it called, but yeah, cute. Anyway, the shorts, real cute. We got the top. Cute. And we got the bottom. Real cute. And this one is a small. This one is also a 10 out of 10. Nice. This is a medium. You see me tell about the medium? Medium them is so big and then the small them so little. But anyway, this is cute. Love the design. Lovely. And the shorts to it. Oh, they make it so playful. This is real nice. Right? You got the design there. Cute, right? We got another white slipper. Well, I think this is gray. It's another design. This you call thick. Oh. I'm really hoping these last as strong as they look. I hope y'all can see that. Anyway, shorts and top. The top got the design on the sleeve too. So I have a pink in this. My sister said she liked it, so I got her this one. These are cute. I have them, so I know this was gonna come good. Hey, this looks small. This looks small. I if you can't fit you, get your data. I bought this for my phone. Thing that you put on your hand. You know this, you just hold the phone like this. So because it is red, I'm telling you something that change out. In the last video, I tell me I change out my camera, my tablet, all of my case them I turn them in a red. Phone case, everything, tablet case. So I got this case right here. It's cherry. It's what? Strawberry. Cute. And then I got this strawberry shortcake thing to put on it. Real cute. Then we have some jewelry. This is a whole chain set. Okay, so we got this chain right here. Back and front. So real cute, right? And it came with 2 earrings. Excuse my ashy ass fingers. These are gold. I don't know if they come off as silver on your screen, but these are gold. Oh. So is this the one that you just put this around your neck? And then you have these two hanging down. Real cute. I hope y'all. This is real cute. The material is so thick. Oh, I got me a little silver ring. Cute. Oh, wow. I love this. Got me a little two-tone gold and silver ring. Cute. Pretty, right? Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Came with something. Wow. This is so simple and cute. I'm hoping my hands are not ashy. Good evening, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Mom. I love you so much.
Goodbye. We got this cute little bracelet. Stuff in the front right here. This look like it can't fit me. Hold on a minute. Hold on. This don't look like a nice set. Ah. Damn. Oh no. Oh no. It fits. It fits so. Cute. Oh, this is one of them chain set. It came with two. Pretty decent quality. Yeah. This is a part of the pink vibe I was telling you guys about. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh. So this is how you do it. It's right there. And then it got the cutest little ring. Cute, right? It's cute or whatever. This is just a regular schmegular loop that I'm probably going to put in right now because I can't find them loop them. Well, I can't find them a small loop them. I think that's what I want for my birthday. I want a real loop earring because I love loop. I just wear it all day, every day. You know, like probably like this size. Yeah, it's like when I'm chain them real. I'm gonna watch them real. Someone want earring real because I like to keep on my jewelry daily. Sleeping at them, wake up, bed, everything except for my watch. I'm in bed and my watch. But everything else. You know, me I call you punk. But after the fridge ones catch up something give me for me ear, but go on, it's fine. You have ear for do? Yeah. So that's the vibe. Me?
Yeah.
No, why?
Oh, good night.
Huh?
I said, no, good night.
Alright, bye, love you. Yeah, so that's my daughter. So yeah, so because I'm beard and I'm jewelry, them the stuff they want me keep on right through. Them change. The earring them constantly changing, so I constantly have to buy a different little pair of loop earring all the time. So I think I want that for my birthday. I want the earring, and I want another Movado watch. Want another gold Movado, because this one I've had it for like, I'm gonna say 4 years. I got it like 4 years ago for my birthday, or 5. Well, 4 or 5 years ago for my birthday. I know it I get scratched up, you know. So yeah, that's the birthday request. This is another ring. It's cute. It's big. There you go. I'm not giving you guys the big I swear. I bought another wedding ring. This look just like the one that I have. Girl, did you buy the same thing? Did you really buy the same thing? Oh, this is so pretty. Wow. Wow. So cute. Can't tell me some whole heap of thousands of dollars for it today. I spend my money on this, you know. White gold. Talk to me nice. Yeah. And you want it to be more, like me. I love the extraness. So me probably add something else to it. You could do this, but this is like a little bit big for this finger. Give it a little zhuzhum, you know? Yeah. Or you could do this one. Ooh, this is even prettier. Yeah? No? Yeah. Yes, girl. Ring for Fluffy. Wedding ring for Fluffy. Yeah. That is it for this haul. If it's not too long, then you guys are going to see me tomorrow. If it's not, then this is the end. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like the videos, cutie. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new. And yeah, stay tuned, because I got a birthday coming up. We're going to have some fun. And I got a trip coming up. So we're going to have even more fun. Okay? So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and hype up the video. And cuties, can you please watch at least one ads? Watch the ads, okay? Well, not all of them, because that's impossible. Just watch like 1 or 2, please. Watch something so your girl can make a little shamane. All right, watch something. Anyway, I'll probably see y'all tomorrow, but if not, bye for now. The pack up after we can bother with.
I just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? I know you smell the perfume, the makeup on his shirt. you don't believe his stories, you know that there are lies. Bad as you are, you stick around, and I just don't know why.
Now, Bills, you set up something already? Set up already? What's up, cuties? We're here in the park. We bought a fly hunt. More scaly and stiff. We bought a fly, okay? We're gonna check out this drone because we got a little sun today. You know me, I said that snow. It snowed the other day in Springfield.
Springfield?
Yeah.
Oh, snow down forward soon.
Me said falling in Springfield. You're not gonna hear it if you put it on there. Would it be the sound? I got sound muffled, like you know. So you have to like just put it on your still. I don't know how many do all of them. Anyhow. What are you doing?
Put the magnet
So you couldn't go up here so all the way along there so? Clean.
Never free.
They did say women are smarter than men.
Yep. Run with it now. Run with it.
Yo! Ooh, they're both connected for real. This is the two different lines. This is literally the first time I'm using both mic, even when we didn't have them before. But anyway, we're gonna fly this drone.
Take out the key.
No, I did not.
Take it off of your keychain so you can't put it in our bag.
It is. We're at Elizabeth Park in, oh God, this sun.
West Hartford.
West Hartford. It's very beautiful out here when it's the summertime. Right now, the tree them gone, my love.
Tree them gone or the leaf them gone.
The leaf
Come,
them
no,
gone.
Mr. Whole heap of trees still out there. I mean, none of them move.
The leaf them gone. Come on, which way you want to go? You want to go over here, sir?
Alright, go over here, sir.
What a whole heap of leaf.
Feel like you sink, go.
Right?
So, another drone is supposed to. Ooh.
You mash it up, Kemar.
No mash up. But I don't know why. I don't know why it just gone so.
You are steer the thing.
May I try steer it back and it now come back. That's why I have the wing guard them on it.
Cuties, today is not a good day for this. I don't know how much of this I can take. I am going in. Today is not the day at all. I'm going to Walmart. Pick up some stuff to make some, what they call it, babe? Taco. Because we're both feeling for tacos and we're not going to buy it. No, we're not. So we're going to go make some taco for lunch or dinner because it's now after 2. It's 1:50 something and we haven't eaten all day. So just I go to Walmart, pick up some taco bell, some taco stuff and go home because out here too cold for this. And Bill's not even, he's literally setting up right now. Yeah, and them got to be freezing.
If them are freeze.
This is something you got to practice at home. Oh. It not flying at all?
No, take off.
Maybe you mashed up when you drop over the floor.
You know, mash up, man.
I think you did mash it up.
I think something. What the case? I think something will connect back.
Oh, probably disconnect from it.
Yeah.
Anyway, cuties, I am not disappointed because, like I said, it is cold out here and I'm ready to go. So maybe next time I want to see some drone, some flying, okay? Not today. I'm the nose around.
Look how much of the day we have, man.
Right, wait, nice outside. And because we see the sun, we feel like see the sun come with some heat. But it did not.
Me go put on my thicker jacket, you know.
The sun is just, oh, but it's not. It's, oh, God. Right here, it's just so nice. Oh, yes, Lord.
Notice out there, so feel a little warmer.
Yes, I do only put tree in this. Can you shut that head? Just shut it up. Oh, that tree is so pretty. You guys can see it. It turned completely red. Ah, I love that about the fall. I love it. Yeah. So, cuties, it turned out that the drone is dead. Mr. Smarty Pants over here. Mr. Smarty Pants over here did not charge the drone and come out for fly drone.
You know, stop running with that.
What, you are Smarty Pants, you're not? Thought you were. Anyway, we're gonna... What? You might charge the battery now.
Make you go and charge.
I'm not coming back out this car until I'm gonna reach our Walmart.
Probably in time.
Put that back in the case.
Probably in time we reach home. Okay. Test it.
Alright, guys. Oh, the sun is beeping out here, man. Complain about cold 1 minute and then the next minute you complain about the sun. Can't please, you know what I mean? Black people can't please so good. But anyway, we're going to Walmart. Now, when the money I'm going there and still find things.
Come out of here and stop that.
I don't know how you do it at all. It's not so bad. Quick and fast in this place, yeah. Alright. First we need bags. Where are the bags?
Oh yeah, get them there.
I'll just grab one of these. One Kemar.
No, you're a babe. What is it?
It's a taco ranch, spicy and zesty. I guess it's ranch brand. This look good, right?
13. Seeing big walk.
That's ground beef?
Yeah.
Okay. Could get that.
Yeah, I don't want to wrap.
Yeah,
Smaller one them here, but them are soft one them too.
Yeah, so we'll get one soft one.
Oh, one
and
hard
one
one.
of the hard one. Yeah.
So what them hard one you want to them?
Scoop up like
Oh, the jalapeno shell. I hope I throw the shell go now.
push on them, yeah. That I've taken it over this.
Nacho cheese shell.
Yeah.
Good.
We could,
Two of them.
yeah.
Hello.
So get a smaller pack of that, them or them the pot up. Huh?
Yeah.
What is segment done?
Yeah.
Alright, cuties, this is it. Let me know down in the comment section which is your favorite taco. Is it soft shell, hard shell, or do let me and put them together? Because why not? Life too short. Anyway, I'm done. I'ma eat and go sleep. No, matter of fact, me I care over Kemar and go give him right now because let me say me end up cook over the house. Okay, cuties, so I just made 4 taco for Kemar. We're gonna see which one I favorite. For some reason, I can't talk. I don't know what one. I can't talk. The words them not come out right. I can't breathe. But anyway, like I said, I just make 4. Because we buy 4 shell, we buy 3 different shell. But I never remember about the plain one. Plus, I'm full, so I can't try it. Okay, so oh Jesus, I'm tired. Yeah, I be slaving in the kitchen.
Cut out. You be slaving.
Hold on there. Right? Shot. I'm glad you like it. Anyway, cuties, tomorrow.